Hi guys, today we will be continuing with our cube root. Okay, cube root by given number, cube root of given number by prime factorization. The method is almost similar. Resolve the given number into the product of prime factors. Okay, make the triple groups of the same primes, choosing one from each triplet and then product of the primes to get the cube root. Okay, right. One from three triplet means three. Okay, three make a group and one from three. Let's take an example. It will be very clearer to you. Find the cube root of 27,000. Okay, 27 into 1000, right? So 27 prime factorization is 3 into 9, right? Or 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so I can write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, or otherwise 10 can be written as 2 into 5, right? So 3 twos, 3 fives. Okay, so take one from the triplet. 2, 3, 5. These three are triplets, right? So the answer will be 2 into 3 into 5. That means 30. Okay, you got it? Yes, you got it. You got it. You got it. Okay, evaluate this number. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How to evaluate? This is the way. Prime factorization. Okay, using only prime factorization. How to do prime factorization, that I will show you. uh, where is that 9261, right? I will write it here only. This space may be sufficient for us to write whatever we want. Okay, this is fine. Here I have to write. I will do it for 9261. 8000 is pretty straightforward. You can easily compute. Okay, this is quite difficult, right? Okay, okay, that's good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me write it here. See, this end. I'm putting three before. Let me confirm whether it goes by three or not. The problem is the last digit is not an even number, so it won't go by two. Add them. 9 plus 1 10. 18. 18 goes by 3, so this number must go by 3. Okay, yes. Now 3 will come here. Now I have to draw a line of this nurture. Okay, okay. How much it will be? 3 3s are 9. Okay, let me write it there itself. 3 9s are 27. So 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are 21. So 387 is remaining. Again, add them up 18. So it will again go by 3. Okay, so 3. I'm writing it here. Okay, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. Okay, now I have to draw a line again, like this. So okay, fine. Now again, will it go by 3? 9 plus 1 10. 12. Yeah, it will go by 3. So 3 4s are 3 3s are 43. Okay, am I right? I think so. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are 21. Okay, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. Right. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Mm-hmm. 370 21 2 3 age 24 6 2 3 3 is 9. No, somewhere we went wrong. Where? Here. 0 must come here. 3087. This is not 387. 3087. Okay, because this number is not going by 3, right? This small number, 2 digits are there, so 0 must come here. 3 7 is 21 1 2 3 8 24 26. Yeah, that is correct. Now this becomes 1029. Mm-hmm. 1029. So this becomes 3 3 3 3 9, no. 3 4 12, 343. So 343 will again go by 3. You think will it go by 3? No, it won't. Why? Sum is 10. 10 will not go by 3, so this will not go by 3. 4, it will not go by 4 also. It will not go by 5 also, because the last digit is neither 0 nor 5. So 6 also there is no chance, because it will not go by 3 and 2. 7. Let's try with 7. 7 7 4 is 28. Right. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. So 7 9 is 63. Yeah, it will go by 7. Now I have to draw one more line like this. So yes, again you have to bring 3. Okay, write 3 here. No, not 3, 7. 7 7 4 is 28, right? 7 9 is 63. Okay, 5, no. Again it will go by 3, no, not 3, 7, no. Okay, so 7 7 is 749. So again you have to write 7 here. 7, no. How many 3's are there? How many 7's are there? 3 3's are there, 3 7's are there. Take 1 3, take 1 7. So 3 into 7, 21. So this is 21 cube. So the answer for the numerator is 21. Okay, like that you have to proceed for the remaining example also. Okay, fill in the blanks. The ones digits of the cube of 73 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 7 7. Write it here. The maximum number of digits in the cube of a 2-digit number is that is already given above. Okay. Hmm? How much? How much? How much? 4 to 5 maybe. 100 cube is how much? 1 2. Okay. 3 4. Okay. 5 6. 1 2 3 6. 6 numbers may be there. Hmm? You won't agree? You have to agree. You have to agree. Okay, leave that question. The smallest number to be added to this to make it a perfect cube. How to tell? Hmm? Smallest number to be added to make it a perfect cube. We know how to do it for a perfect square. What about perfect cube? We should go with the nearest digits. Okay, above 3000 means digit must be 20. 20 20 20. How much? 400. 4000 into 2, 8000, not 20. So 10. 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000, so must be greater than 10. Okay. Okay, let me take it in between. 15 15 15 ja 225. 225 225 into 15. Yes, let me write it here. 225 into 15 equal to, oh not there, I can write it here. Okay, 2250 plus 2250 by 2, how much? 1125. Okay, when you add this, so how much it will be? It will be no, that is not stotra. 5 7 3 3 3375. Right, you are absolutely right. 3375. Smallest number to be added, how much then? Just 25 only, right? So this is not 25, 75 minus 33, how much? uh, mm, mm, 20 53 40 73 42. I can make it fixed, right? 42. No, not there. Here. Okay, 42. Okay, why 14 cube will not go that far? 196 into 14, right? 14 cube also you want to find out. Okay, but 14 cube is less than 3333, I guess. Okay, 14 14 is 196 into 14. Let me write it here. 14 equal to let us go there only. There is somewhat space available to write 1960 plus 196 into 4. That is nothing but 200 into 4. That means 800. Okay, 800 minus 16. 800 minus 16 means 800 minus 16. 790. 790 minus 6, 784. So 784 equal to 4 14 17 2. I told you already this is less, so okay. 4 14. So last two digits are 4s. Okay, 7. This is 7. 2744. Okay, so you have to add something. This is 14 cube, this is 15 cube. You have to add 42 to make it perfect cube. Okay, the cube root of 540 into 50 is, okay, 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 540 into 50. Okay, now I am going to remove this this is unnecessary stuff. For 540 into 50 takes 100 separately. Okay, 54 into 5, 2 into 27, right? Yes, 2 into 20. I'm putting it into a factorized form, but not a proper form. Prime factorization I'm not doing. Okay, I'm doing my own factorization. What does that mean? I will show you. 2 into 27, right? 27 I can write it as 3 into 3 into 3. Will you agree? What? So if you don't agree also, that is 3 into 3 into 3 only. Otherwise what? Don't irritate me. I will put hash mark instead of 3. You got the point? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. 54. One more 5 is there. Yeah, 5 is there. 100 is there. 200s. Yes, 100 is there. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. 10 can be written as 2 into prime factorization only I am doing finally. Okay, because you are not listening kada. Okay, how many 2s are there? 3 2s are there. How many 3s are there? 3 3s are there. How many 5s are there? 3 5s are there. Okay, 1 2 1 3 1 5 has to come. So answer is 30. That is not the T. This is the T. Not there. Here. Okay. This is how you have to proceed. Cube root of this. Again you do prime factorization. Okay. 4913. 3 plus 1 4. Okay. 4 plus 4 8. Okay. 8 plus 9 17. Right. So it won't go by 3. It won't go by 4 5 6 7. 7 I have to try. 7 7 is 49. It won't go by 7 either. 8 there is no chance. Okay, so don't ask. Okay, 9. Okay, 9 we will try. Oh, so it won't go by 9 either. So what we have to do? 10 also will not go. Then 11 we will try with 11. Then 11 4 is 44, right? 5 will remain. 11 4 is 44 again. 6 will remain. It won't go by 11 either. 13 then. 13 3 is 39. 13 4 is 52. So 13 3 is 39. 10 101. 13 8 is 104. 13 7 is okay. 13 7 is 91. 13 7 is 91. 91 means 10. 1 again 103. So it won't go with 13 either. Shit. Then 14? No, no chance. No way, no way. 15 also no way. 16 also no way. 17? Okay. We'll try with 17. 17 2 is 34. Yes. 34. 15 151. Okay. Okay. Then what is the number? 4913. Yeah, it will go by 17. Finally we achieved it. Answer is 289. Okay, 218 also will go by 17. Again the answer is 17. So 4913 can be written as, can be written as 17 into 17 into 17. Okay, let me write it here. Uh, on the numerator you have 17 cube, that means 17 into 17. No, not like that. 17 into 17. Okay, I can put a bracket at both ends. Then denominator 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, total 9. So 10 power 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is the case. So 9 zeros are there. Okay, 10 power 9 by 1 by 3, 10 cube, 1000. Okay, so after the result it will be 17 by 1000. 17 by 1000 is how much? After you have to find cube root of this by this, right? Cube root of a by b is nothing but cube root a by cube root b. That formula we are applying. 17 by 1000 is the answer. Let me write it once again. 17 by 1000 is the answer. Then how to write 17 by 1000? 0 point, no, 0.017. So this must be the answer. This must be the answer. Okay. Now I can remove this. Fine. The cube of 24 ends with the digit 4. Yeah, that is correct. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 24, ends with 4. Subtracting 10 cube from 1729 gives 9 cube. Oh, that is also perfectly correct. Okay. That is what Ramanujan told once to his professor. Right? Right. So the cube of 0.012 is this. Oh, sorry. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Yeah, that will end. 8 is the last digit. I agree. Yes, 12 cube is 1728. There is no um, mm, there is no problem there. 1 2 3 4 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, 3 times is 10 to the power minus 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. No, that is not correct. This is 10 power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. So that is false. Okay, this is false. 79,570 is not a perfect cube. How to check? Again, go by factorization method. 7957. Remove this. Oh, this is not sufficient. So we will borrow another sheet from somewhere else. Okay, in mathematics it will happen so many times. 79,570, right? Okay. Tools also 79,570. 79,570. This is the given number. Okay, let us cross check it once again. Yes, that is correct. 79,570. Now let's draw this like this. So okay, like this. This is good enough. Okay, 10 can be separated. We will remove 0 now. Okay, 10 can be written as 2 times 5. Then remaining numbers it won't go by. Say I'm removing 0 because I know 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 9 28, 28. So this will not go by 3. 28 won't go by 3, so this will not go by 3. It will not go by 4, it will not go by 5, it will not go by 6, it will not go by 7. Let's check. Will it go by 7? It won't go by 7 either. It won't go by 8, it won't go by 9. 11. Let's check for 11. It won't go by 11. Will it go by 13? It won't go by 13. Then what else is remaining? 14, 15, 16, 17. Will it go by 17? No, it won't go by 17. Will it go by 19? It won't go by 19. 21, 23 we have to try. 23. It won't go by 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 also we can try. 29. It won't go by 29. 30, 31 we have to check. All prime numbers we have to check. It won't go by 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 we have to try. 37. It won't go by 37 either. 39 then. 39 is 13 into 3. So it won't go by 39. 41 then. 41. It won't go by 41. 43. Yes, 43 we can try. It won't go away. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Again we have to check. 47. No, no use. 48, 49. No, 49 also won't go. 50, 51. So try with 51. No, no use. 53. No. 54, 55, 56, 57. 57. No. 59. 61. No. 63 will go by 3. So 63 no use. 64, 65, 66, 67. 7957 by 67. No. 68, 69 will also go by 3. 70, 71. 70, 71. No. 71, 71, 71. 71 times 71 times 71. Oh, 71 also it won't go. 73. Yeah, it will go by 73 at last. 109 times 73 is our number. Oh, I haven't seen such a rare number which doesn't go by any number other than 73. After 73 again it got 109. 109 won't go by 3. It appears that it will go by 3 or 9. It won't go. Such a rare number, such a rare number. So this 109 will go by 109 alone. That is a one more prime number. So 73, 109, 2 and 5 are the prime factors. So there is no chance for it to go um, by any other digit. So it is not a perfect cube. Yes, that is correct. Okay, the cube root of this is 63. Again we have to check 250047 cube root is 63. How to check? That is pretty simple. We will multiply 63 three times rather than proceeding with the other way around. 63 times, sorry, 63 times 63 times 63 is 3969 into 63 is, hey, that is incorrect, man. That is correct. 250047, that is correct. So that is true. This is true. I can put a tick mark. Show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. Now to show, again we have to go by factorization method. 1944. Okay, instead of this we'll take 1944. 1944. Okay, it will go by 2. Yes, it will go by 2. 9, 2 9s are 18. Again 1 will remain. Yes. 2 7s are 14. That is also correct. 2 2s are 4. So now we have to draw one more line like this. That is not that much like this. No. Like this. No. At least like this. This is okay. Then no, I will not agree. Like this I have to draw. Okay. 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 Now again by 2 only. Why by 2? It will go by 2 because the last digit is even number. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 18s are 16. 2 6s are 12. So 486 is the number. Again we have to draw. Like this we will draw. Like this we will draw. Okay. 2. Okay. Okay. 2 2 is 4. 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6. 343. 343 will go by 3 because the sum is 9, right? So it will go by 3 or it will go by 9 also. 980 is 1 9 8 sorry 9 3 9 2 18. 9 3 is 27 18 18. 9 7 is 63. 9 27 is right. Right. Okay. Again 9 9 is 27. Oh no, why it is going like that? Okay. 9 3 is 27. Okay. So what is the question now? 1944 is not a perfect cube. Yeah, that is not a perfect cube. How to show? It has 3 2's. Okay. Only 2 9's, 1 3. Fine. So not a perfect cube. Find the smallest number by which 10985 should be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube. Okay. It won't go by 2. That we know. Now let's try with 3. It won't go by 3 either. It won't go by 4. It will go by 5. So let it be divided by 5. Let's see the answer. What is the answer? 2197. Is 2197 a perfect cube? Hmm? 2197. Yes, 13 cube. So answer is 5. Okay. Find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. If you multiply it with 2, you will get 400. Okay, but 400 is not a perfect cube. Right. So multiply it with 3. Again 600 results. 600 is not a perfect cube. Again go with 4. 8000. No, 800. 800 is not a perfect cube. Okay. So it has to be multiplied with 40 to make it perfect cube. Otherwise we have our formula, right? Let's write it in a that form. Which form? That form. What is that form? 2 into, where is that, where into, yeah, 2 into 2 into 10 into 10, right? So 2 into 10 is 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. This is 200. You can check. 10, 10, 2. Yeah, this is 200. If you want to make it perfect cube, multiply it with 5. Yeah, 5 is the answer. Okay. So 5 is the answer. Find the cube root of this. Mm-hmm. 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 12 2 ja, 12 3 ja. Okay. What is this? 12 5 ja? No. 12 5 ja 70. 5 2 ja? 12 5 ja 60. Hmm. 16 5 ja. Then make it 4. 4 6 ja. Now I will do it here only. 24 can be written as 4 into 6. Okay. 36. 4 into 9. Okay. Then 4 into no 20 20 into 5 into 5. Oh, sorry. 5. This is the given number. Okay. How many fours are there? Club these three fours together, and this is 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Again, 3 3 threes came, 1 2 was remaining. Okay. So 3 tens are came, 3 tens here. So finally we end up getting 1 2 1 3 1 4. 24 is the answer. Okay. Find the cube root of 729 and 6859 by prime factorization. Okay. I will do only one. 6859 I do because there are 4 digits. You do 729. 6859 prime factorization. 6859. Oh, 14 plus yeah, 14 plus 10, 24, 24, 23, 28. So it won't go by 3. It won't go by 4, it won't go by 5, it won't go by 6, it won't go by 7. No. That I have to check. 6859. It will go by 7, it won't go by 7. It won't go by 8, it won't go by 9. It won't go by 11 either. 13 we have to check again. 13, it won't go by 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. It won't go by 17. It won't go by. It will go by 19. Oh, finally we got one prime number. Okay, for 6859. One factor for 6859. Okay, 361 will it go by 19? Yes, it will go by 19. 19. This one is 19. So 19 cube is 6859. Oh, here. So answer is 19 for this. Okay. What is the square root and cube root of this? 46656. 46656. You have to find square root. You have to find cube root. We will find first square root 46656. Okay. 46656. Okay. This is the ordering pairing from right. Okay. So 4 has to come. This is what? 2. This is what? 2. Okay. This thing is 0. Now it won't come. Here also it won't be there. Okay. 66 will come down. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Now 2 I can't take. I can take only 1. Now 1. Okay. So this is 41. 41. 1 will go. 6 minus 1 5. 6 minus 4 2. This 56 also has to come down. 56. Oh. 56 fine. No, you will not agree. Now you agree. No. Now you will agree, I guess. 41 plus 1 42. Now I have to write 42 here. 4 to 42. Okay. How much? 2 will go. No. 3 will go. No. 4. 4 4 ja 16. 1. 4 2 ja 8. 9. 4 4 ja 16. 4 6 we can try. Yes, 6 will definitely go. 6 is the answer, I guess. Two five five six only. Oh, sorry. 2556 only you will get. Okay. You can cross check. 6 6 is 36 3. 6 12 15 1. 6 4 is 25. The result remainder is 0. So answer is 216. Okay. Now we have to find cube root. Okay. So 216 square is the given number. Now you can do prime factorization for 216 to find the cube root, right? 216. Let's do prime factorization. Why would we go somewhere else? 216 right here only. It will go by 2. How much? 2 1 is 2. 2 8 is 16. Okay. Again it will go by 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 4 is 8. Again it will go by 2. 2 7 2 2 is 2 7 is right. 3 9. Again 3 3. So 2 cube into 3 cube. Okay. So here you will get 1 2 out. 216 into 216, right? So cube root of 216 into cube root of 216. That is how you have to imagine. So 1 2 1 3 in one cube root and 1 2 1 3 in another cube root. So 6 6 is 36. 36 is the answer for cube root. Okay. Right. Cube root is 36. Square root we already found 216. 216 only, right? If the cube of a square root number is 729, find the square root of the number. If the cube of the cube of a square root number, x square into x square whole cube, x power 6 is 729. Find x first, then find root x. Okay. X power 6 is 729. Go by prime factorization method. Take 729 here. Will 729 go by 3? Who knows? God knows. No, don't tell that answers. Add them. 18. Yeah, it will go by 3 because 18 will go by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 6 3 4 is 12, 3 3s are, okay. Again it will go by 3, right. 3 8s are, yes, 1. Again it will go by 3, 3 27 is 81, right. 3 remaining is fine, 3 power 6, okay. So 3 power 6 cube of a square number, x square x square x square, 2 plus 2 plus 2, x power 6, x power 6 is 1729, x is 3. The cube of a square number is 729, find the square root of that number. X is 3, so square root of that number, square root of 3 is 1.732, okay. If that is what it if he means, okay. If he wants the square root of 729 also, that also we can find. Square root of 729, how much is this? 3 3, 3 power 6, 3 cube 27, okay. Anyway, find the two smallest perfect square numbers when, okay, find the two smallest perfect square numbers which one multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. I guess 4 and 16, okay, when they multiplied together you will get 64. 64 is a perfect cube number, right. Cube root of 64 is 4, okay. And 4 and 16 both are perfect square numbers, okay. Root 4 is 2, root 16 is 4. Now activity, observe that 2 cube minus 1 cube is 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3, that is 7, okay. 3 cube minus 2 cube, 27 minus 8, can be written as 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. 4 cube minus 3 cube is 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3. 2 3 4 1 2 3 3 3 3. Find the values of 15 cube minus 14 cube in the above pattern. One plus 2 into 1 into 3, 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3, 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3, like that. 1 plus 15 into 14 into 3, okay. And you can cross check that. Observe that 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 plus 5, 3 cube is 27, that is 7 plus 9 plus 11. Compute this pattern to find the value of 7 cube as sum of the conjugative odd numbers. 2 cube 8, 3 plus 5, 27, 7 plus 9 plus 11, 7 cube 243, yeah, 243. Sum of 3 conjugative odd numbers you have to write, okay. That you can do anyway. Let's stop it here because we are running out of time. We will discuss this other last topic, exponents and powers, in the next class. Thank you. Nandri Vanakkam. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.